We did it now. I've been telling you to relax. Now get ready. Before we can handle, we come back to the form. Quick one. Something really very important. You see, I say add new record. What's the add new record? What is see? You know, see empty things in there. Then I get way for you to add my records in. See what see? See the arrest everything. Good. This form here, where this is so, for enabling for you to add the records here, now exactly what we want to discuss now. This button again, click and back, take me now, reset everything. Can I add this record? Can I add this record? Give me all these addresses, then allow me for save new record. You did it? Okay. Now there you go. We can first what we need for do because we go for deal with a database interaction. We use the resource interaction, get we class, inside we class we get a model we call branch. Then because now data we go for access, we use the data entity, data.entity, because we go for access the data from the database. Second, we initialize, we do initialization. We want to forget an instance, we instantiate with data. We want to forget an instance of the whole database. Not only a single table, but the whole database. So any table we want now, we call this instance, and we call that table A, then we invoke the property of the table A. Now we don't do up here. Make yourself comfortable. Come to the next one here. We won't forget a whole frame now in this. Meaning, we get a controller called file upload. A method called file upload. Then we get the controller called branch. Then if we enable we follow for save records and the database, meaning for use the post. I don't explain the post functionality to that of the get, to that of the puts, and to that of the delete. If you want to know this post, it will take a very big amount, a huge amount of data, and it will wrap on now the HTML body rather than the URL or the history of the browser. It's more secure, it's more reliable, it makes it difficult for hacker for them to hack with data. Now make we use the post. Though there is a default meaning, a loophole. If you click record one time, for example, let me if I don't input this one, I click save, you can a database, then I click and back save, the same record you can twice. Now in the problem with post. But for them not come twice, you be able to work on another controller for restrict and for check if this record will not come before. But by default, now so the post method there. It left to you the developer now for be conscious and work around them so that now we get duplicate of records. But not only we can discuss further now again. But we don't discuss from the previous videos. We then come, we set up with Dev Express form layout. Once follow the form we then now this whole form layer, ODC. This form layer. Good. We can now say, well, come on. We get some settings. We call a branch form layout. Then we get a theme, like a fine theme. Good. Inside the theme, we'll create another setting again called group items. We say form items. Sometimes we not even need this one. Yeah. But as time goes on, we will show different method. Form item.item.add group items. One for can get different items like the person name, in ID, other things and the location, address, so on and so forth. But before we begin, the group items will configure and first for let it will look fine. First, you see, this again 2 columns. The reason why you see, if you can, let me come back. You see this man here separate to this guy here because we tell and say let the column be 2. If we can now say let be 1 column, now we can say let be 1 column, we save them, then we refresh them. Let's see if we get any changes now here. You see? Because we don't get one column, this button don't come down. Take note of that. The button don't come, they don't look nice. In fact, the interface don't look nice. So, see, you see now you form, you don't see, you get column 1. But if you don't get no column, what's happen? This man, they can under this man here. So, but now so I want they be nice like this nature. We can now, it's okay, Mr. Code, we continue. After, we can now set these group items for can get various names. The width, there be 360, 350, I'm sorry. I can get any names in group 1, branch details. Let's use the right branch details. You see, look at branch details. For the first one, we say branch form. We don't explain this one from the previous videos then. I don't need again for re-explain. This is now group inside group. Good. We can now. Sorry. After we don't get time, we can get the fields inside now. The first field now, we bind the ID to the model. This one where they see now for it and to the model. Meaning if they say inside the model we call it required, meaning inside the database. If now required field, now the SQL server it is as required field. Nested extension, now they have express functionality for view, then text box them, then beautiful text box them. They will get a lambda expression where they give you the ID, will still be read only. Let somebody not able to type it. If you say false, read only will say false, then it means possibly will type it. Now log is we don't save them, log refresh them. See how possibly will type and read only. You don't see? You able to do something there now. But if you not say false, we only say false, then I'm sorry to automatically somebody not able to type it. The reason why one layer becomes system generated, the ID layer not duplicate. Then the back color we get a smoke white. If you get back color for me, let me see blue. Okay, let me just say blue. Okay, blue. We save them. We can now this end. We see what it could be the color, you don't see? Then become blue. So you can able to change them so the way you want them. We say let this remain there. Then the display, now just this ID with the work console. So the same thing back you do for the remaining. Yes, let it will show error. The error meaning if you save them, I'm supposed to save this record now. Not another day. Then I save them. You say you want to save this record. You will tell me, say, no, something they will require in this field. You don't see? These are not even restricted. By virtue of rights, not for even allow for save null. Or will they work on it later? So add this. Okay, say if I want to delete, say yes. This record still delete. You don't see? So if I go down on my SQL server, there are 3 records. I think I'm not work on the delete function yet. Now you make it login for delete. Good. So we come back to we go now. You see? So now we can say that we watch them and see what we do so far. So alhamdulillah. We like for stop the video now and advise that we will do more research on the small knowledge I don't have for past one to now. For knowledge to expand and share knowledge together. As I always try to tell you now, we all are students then. You, me, all are students then. But the better you explore, the more you understand. So once again, I say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.